Alright, Scandia, thank you so much for sending me this parcel and let's do the unboxing. Right, so he's performing some prayers. What's up guys, welcome back to another day at sea. It's been long since we saw a good port stay, and again we are in Dover Strait and we're going to London today. I'm very excited. I'm going to receive something special and you will see a good unboxing this time. And have a look at the misty weather, a lot of rain and so many birds, guys. I don't know if you can see so many birds flying around. Wow, there's 8 to 10 right over there flying past us. Such a beautiful sight, guys. Yeah, this is Dover Strait. I wish it was good weather so I could show you better side of the strait, but that's how it is. So guys, you can see in front of me there's a ferry right over here crossing in front of us, and there's another ferry crossing. So in Dover Strait, especially this side, we have a lot of crossing left and right. So basically guys, as you saw that was the Dover Strait crossing. So from France on the starboard side and United Kingdom on the port side, you know, for guys who are going to the office, they travel through these fast ferries doing 20-25 knots, and we're just doing 6 knots, so it's okay. So the plan for today is we'll be picking up pilots at 1900 from London and then entering the London Gateway, that is in Tilbury, and I'll be receiving something special and I'll do a special unboxing. This is the first time I'm doing something like this and I'm really super excited and pumped. Guys, we are going so slow, everyone is overtaking us, even this small ship, I think from K-Line, they also want to overtake us, and this is like the first time I'm going so slow, like only 4 to 6 knots, that's it. And we're getting Dover Strait, these what do you call this, currents. And I'll show you one book which is really helpful for all of us. This book is known as the Brown's Tidal Stream, and it has been there for a long time and it has, you know, never been changed. And from here, you know, you can see like we are somewhere here right now, and I can see if it's slack water, if it's coming, it will be against, or if it will push us. And then we update it every week. Guys, all fast, and we are in the port of London, and that's how it looks at night. So that was it for tonight. I hope you guys like the time lapse, the night lapse I made of the approach and, you know, the turn. Guys, सुबह उठा भी नहीं जा रहा है. This ballast thing is just so अभी क्या plan है? Agents are still trying to find my courier which was sent by Scandia, and hopefully they find it. Otherwise we'll have to come here second time. When we come here second time, the ship won't come here second time for just my courier. So yeah, so we contact agents by these telephones which we get from the port, and we can call them, call the planner and all of that. So that's how it works, and let's see if we get it on. So guys, after breakfast I decided to come up and take some sun, and unfortunately, as you can see, it's overcast skies and the sun has gone, and you know, it feels good to soak in the sun in winters. I don't know if it's winters here or not, but it's cold. And yeah, the port looks really beautiful, as you can see here, and in front we have the oil tanker terminal, and I think further down ahead there's a gas tanker terminal. So also guys, you can see there's a workshop kind of a thing, like you know, for the airplanes we have the hangar. So for this repair of these small trains which are moving the containers, as you can see over there, or maybe I'll give you a better look if I go down. So these are the workshop right over there, and it's a full industrial kind of an area. It's a little bit far from the London city, like 1.5 hours by train or by car. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's the thing which I was told. Guys, have a closer look of the spreader, how they do maintenance through the cranes, you know. That's how it is. There's the spreader, and they can, you know, access it easily from these stairs over here, and then come and do the maintenance, you know, like all the greasing and all the basic maintenance. I don't know much about it. Guys, this crane is now using double spreader. You can see we just picked up another spreader. Yeah. So finally guys, these guys are going home after 11 months. Going. Oh, too much heavy. So guys, so he's performing some prayers. Buddhism, okay. Okay guys, see you. Bye. So guys, as you see, these are Freon bottles which are old and empty, which we are discharging, and we received some new Freon bottles. Freon basically is required for the reefer, which I have shown you in all of my, no, not all, one of my videos. Reefers are basically refrigerated cargoes, and they require Freon. So that's how we use them, and then we have to dispose them. Sean bhai, package aa gaya?
No, bhai, koi package nahi hai.
Guys, you won't believe it. I just called the agent and he's bringing the stuff now. Hopefully it's my same courier which they've sent it. So let's see, finger crossed, in another 5 to 10. Guys, I think that's the agent's car, and I think we have received my package. So okay guys, quick update. Got the package. Let's go find a cutter and then unbox this. Let's go. So I think find it over here. There it is. Oh, chal raha hai niche. Okay, let's go unbox our new surprise. Yes. Hey guys, so Scandia, thank you so much for getting me this. Oh, just a second. We have the awesome gloves which we got, like this looks really awesome, and the best thing which I have been waiting for is this, and that looks awesome guys. That looks super cool with this third officer, and looking good. Alright, okay, then we have the most special one. That would be me, vlogger Karanveer Singh Nair. Some more leather gloves. I think this would be helpful for lashing, checking lashings. Got protective padding, so that will be cool. And oh, this looks super awesome. This is a bottle, and I think this would fit perfectly inside the pockets. And then we have a few catalogs. All right, that looks awesome. That's the catalog, and this looks something really cool. So let's check it out. That would be, oh, that looks really nice. I think it's like a photo catalog, and yeah, tremendous. Oh, not to forget, got something more. Okay, let's open this. Okay, that'll be, wow, super cool. That's eyewear. Looking good. Okay, www.scandiagear.com, and they've sponsored me for this beautiful PPE, and safety being so much important, you know, you have to keep in mind. And I think we've been provided with good PPE and they're providing it with quality stuff. So thank you once again, Scandia. Okay guys, so that was it for today, and I hope you like the unboxing. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see more unboxing. And thank you, Scandia, once again. And I got a lot of work now, a lot of paperwork, ballasting, everything to do. So what I'll do is I'll close the video now, and if you did like the video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and see you in Hamburg.